I'm Buddy Butters.
And I'm Dean Tarzan. Welcome to the Book Club Show.
Oh shit, man. Didn't see you there. Buddy Butterson here. All one word, by the way. This is the Book Club Show. On fancy couch, fancy basement. So we're gonna do an intro today, and I have a guest with me. It's Dean Tarzan from Apocalyptic Metal News. Come on in, bud.
All right, Buddy Butterson, how you been?
How you doing?
All right, man. It's been a while since I've been on camera.
Yeah, like, who knows when? Let's just go on.
I think it'll take at least a few years.
97, I think. I think so. Alright.
Nom. Wait, no, too
No.
far. Okay. Anyway, the Book Club Show, let me just explain this to you real quick. This is the book, all right? About quotes over the years of our group of friends that have come up with, especially in the high school days. Okay? And then all those quotes that we can remember go into this book. So now what's going to happen is, this show, we're going to read you off one quote. And sometimes, it may be special, that we'll be adding a quote. And just so you know, the song in the background, Welcome to the Jungle by
Guns N' Roses off Appetite for Destruction.
And this part that you hear in the background, the song, right, will be featured on the show as our favorite song of, well, the week or whatever, because we'll do a show a week. Preferably on Fridays. Okay.
The book club meeting.
The book club meeting, which is on Fridays, which usually we rock some pool, crank the vinyl, which Appetite is on right now, and just pretty much chill.
Yeah.
It's our Fridays at the book club. Figure out stuff to go in the book and read the book off to people. Anyway, right now we have, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 members in the book club. 9 members. If you're in the book, you're in the book club. And you may just be featured on this show. So that's what the book club is. We'll also be talking about random news. Like Whitney Houston kicked the bucket. See ya.
Next subject.
Anyway.
Band news, world news, concert news, whatever's coming up.
Whatever we
You'll
think
get
of,
the feed.
it's just going on the show.
It's going on. If we feel like rock and pool for an episode, we're just going to set the camera up and rock and pool for the episode.
Yeah?
Probably won't though, but just in case, no.
You never know.
Bye.
Now remember, if you have a song, like your favorite song of the day or something like that, you can submit it to us by our Facebook page, which is called The Book Club. And to identify that, you'll see this book as the display picture, okay? And they'll have quotes from the book so you can tell it's our page. So you can either write a comment in that page so we know about your song, or leave a comment in the YouTube video down below. And that's what'll happen. And then on an episode, your song will be featured. So, pretty much, that's just our first video.
Yeah.
And, well, you know what? I've had an itchy ass all day.
Take
so I'm
her
gonna
easy,
scratch
buds.
it. All right. And
We're clear.